How to migrate transfer TikTok post to Rednote import TikTok content. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the profile page. Click on the profile option given at the bottom right. Now click on three bars given at the top right corner. Head over to the option settings and privacy. Then click on the option account. Now click on the option downloader data. Firstly, you'll need to download your TikTok data. Click on the option select data to download. Now you can select all data or you can customize it. I'm gonna select all data. Now click on done. Select the file format and click on request data. Once you have requested for the data download, it's gonna take few days. Once the data has been downloaded, it's gonna appear in this page. You will be receiving the zip file. You have to open that file and download it. Once the data is ready, close this. Now launch your Rednote app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on three bars given at the top left. Click on the option scan. Now select the option album. You have to scan this QR code. Once you have scanned the QR code, you will be directed to this page, TikTok transfer. Transfer your TikTok post to Rednote. Now scroll down, you're gonna get this option import the zip file here. Click on this option. Select the zip file that you have downloaded, import it. Then click on transfer now. All of your TikTok data will be moved to your Rednote account. So this is how you can easily migrate transfer TikTok post to Rednote account. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.